nearing mid-May, and it's a rare sight in front of me. A rare sight. It's looking like something else. Or like nothing else? No, it's a bit like the Fuso. No, it's cooler than the Fuso. I don't know. It all looks pretty darn good to me. Oh, hey, Drew, by the way. On the high note, it doesn't look like an afterthought like on the Fuso, right? Because we started with a flat deck and then we added the boxes. And now it's all part of it like it's the way it's being designed. What do you think?
A lot of little differences here and there from the high note.
The wheelbase really stands out.
Oh, it's awesome. Right?
That looks, yeah, I know, yeah.
Got a bigger toolbox there. And a little
Yeah. I think it looks more proportionate too, right?
Height's pretty much perfect now.
Yeah, it's pretty darn good.
Back will go up a little bit
Mhm.
once we either put the overloads back in or the airbag.
Is it gonna be the same depth inside?
I'm gonna go all the way as far as I can to the frame.
Uh-huh.
Probably about the same.
Okay, yeah, more or less the same.
I like it better this way, like with this skirt, like
Mhm.
this, instead of that line.
Yes,
and, like,
yeah,
cutting it
yeah.
around.
But that was an afterthought, right? This is a bit more purposeful.
I'm just working on the Fender Flares now. They're different because they're round.
Uh-huh.
I got a template here, so I gotta finish cutting those ones and then get it all the same.
Oh, nice.
My cardboard.
It works.
Yeah.
It works.
Cut a line every 2 inches to get that line, right? A lot of grinding.
No doubt, yeah. It looks awesome outside. Gotta get going on the bumper too.
It's more solid all the way across. Like there's lots of extra.
Yes. No, we have good mounting points for the bumper. We just need to find some time with Caden to a few hours just to tweak the brackets and
Like I
to
said,
the shape overall.
just leave it long. I'll cut the shape.
Yeah.
I'll make the brackets, right? Like I'll just
Yeah. The door, does it need to be cut here a bit? Because it looks...
see how the line on the door goes straight.
Yeah.
I was thinking more like something like that. Well, obviously it's gonna be bent,
Yeah.
but it'll follow that more. So we
Oh, I see. Yeah.
get rid of like,
Yeah.
you know, like keep this, whatever this distance is, try to keep it with the flare. So it follows that curve and then the line.
Mm-hmm. I like it. All right, we're in the process of doing a lot of things, but we're in the process of doing everything now. So the next step is we are figuring out the steering, which we might have a solution for. And then Drew is already putting stuff in the storage.
Oh, we're just putting everything.
There's details, and we are going to say goodbye to the fire truck red exterior, and it's gonna be saber sand. The deck and the headache rack will remain, well, that will be black.
All the accents. The Fender Flares, racks, everything. Black, black, black. The wheels, ordered the new black rhinos.
We got rims coming, shocks coming, right? This time we're going with a different brand.
Going with Rancho RS 5000.
Ranchito, we're gonna go with the Rancheros.
They're both Rancheros.
Yeah, whoever's Rancheros. You've been hunting for a tank, right?
Yeah, either the same size tank for the other side or a longer tank for this side, but I prefer to go with the same size tank on the other side. Get rid of this battery box, relocate it, and put another tank in the same spot.
Would that mean two separate filler?
I'm gonna try to
Openings?
So it's one filler.
One filler, okay.
Or you have to fill each tank separately and then swap the whole tank.
That's what's been cooking.
But if the tube went from the top of the tank to the other tank, as you filled up that tank, it would transfer over to this tank. But I just don't know how fast. Look at this.
Yeah, sorry, I just came back from Colombia.
Yeah, really. Looks like that.
Or a sawmill. So we're gonna be sanding this bad boy.
Disassembly first.
Yeah, sanding, and then it's gonna be the last time. Hey, it says fire in English right there.
Fire. Why would it say it in English?
For the international crowd. Maybe it was in a big city where there was a lot of international presence. Anyhow, this is not gonna be red anymore. Sorry. You stick out like a sore thumb in a bush, so we need something more blendy. Okay, I've been corrected. It's not blendy, it's more camouflage. But I like to use different words to throw people off. Yeah, it's blendy, man. I can see the bottom of it here. Yeah.
Moves just as fast as the days go by.
May 15th, and it's a chilly one. But big things are happening because Falkland is hosting the Stampede.
106th annual.
106th annual Stampede in town. Full of Broncos, Mustangs, not Ford, cowboys, cowgirls, and I guess cows too.
Drunk cowboys.
And drunk cowboys, yeah. And besides, we have to focus on something else more important. We're sanding this bad boy. Oh, he got something. He got something.
Yeah. Wow. I couldn't wait.
Oh.
So you can see in there. You can see the new rear drive shafts in there. New front drive shafts in there.
Nice.
Well, it wasn't supposed to be ready until today, but he stayed and got it done for me. So.
Beautiful. That looks really nice.
Yeah, no, they're nice balance.
Yeah.
Everything not cheap, but
And speaking of cheap, here's something cheap you've probably never seen in your life.
Well, look what I have just discovered. After Drew's Japanese spider remnants, found a Japanese cigarette in the ashtray. Wow. Let's see what's written on it. It says Suzuki, Kawasaki, Yamaha, Mitsubishi. That's what's written on it. I read it. I know Japanese. Trust me. Yeah, sushi. Sushi Yamamoto. You want a puff? We should put a 3D printed logo. It doesn't say Hino, but it says Rhino with H. Rhino. It's a new Overland Rhino.
I know you got
Rhino. Reno. It's Reno now.